Hello again, Jade Mule here, your expert on all things real estate. This series is to provide valuable information and education on all different topics of real estate. In this episode, I'm going to be talking a little bit about the mortgage process. Something else that most people don't realize about getting a mortgage is there's two different ways that you can be pre-qualified. And actually one of them is to be pre-qualified. So what this is essentially, you could go online and put in all your information and state your income, and it pops back and tells you you're pre-qualified. Well, quite honestly, they haven't checked, they haven't looked at your income or any of your bank statements. So those are really not quite worth the paper that they are printed on. However, it is a really good starting point to know about what price range maybe you will be able to look in. What I recommend for all of my clients is to get pre-approved. There are two different ways to get pre-approved. One is called a desk underwrite. So this is where you fill out an application just like the first way, but you do provide your documentation. So what a mortgage professional will be looking for are things like W-2s, bank statements, tax returns, and basically proving your income, proving your expenses, and they want to look at your debt to income ratio. This will give you a much better understanding of what you will actually qualify for. So with a desk underwrite, it is a much stronger pre-qualification, but it's not a full pre-approval. So the best way, the way that I always recommend, is to get a full manually underwritten pre-approval, which means you literally go through the entire process of getting pre-approved. So an actual person, an underwriter, looks at your file, they look at your income tax, they look at your W-2s, they look at your credit report, they go through the entire process, they request for you to provide any letters or supporting documentation, and this is all before you even have an offer in on a property. What this does for you is it allows you to go into purchasing a property knowing that you're going to get the loan. As long as the property performs, meaning that the appraisal comes in at the value that you offered, the price that you offered, then you're fully approved for the loan. Because believe me, going through the escrow process is stressful enough. The last thing you want to do is get to day 21 of an escrow. You're supposed to close in 7 days, and the underwriter comes back and needs 3 documents from you, and they need it within 24 hours or else it's going to delay everything. The last thing you need is to just have an extra stress put on top of just the normal stresses of buying a home. So these are a few little tidbits, little pieces of information that are always great to know, so you could go into the process knowing more than you know now, and you could set yourself up for success. So if you would like some more information, or if you'd like direct access to me, visit my website, jademule.com. If you'd like a consult, you could schedule one directly from the website, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you have regarding the mortgage process or any other real estate related question. Thanks for watching.